Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see on your Instagram app some notifications like you can see on Telegram, so and also you just read all the direct and you haven't received any messages, and but also notifications from here from icon not disappear. So how we can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just go to App Store, just write in search tab Instagram. So just write Instagram. And now you just need to check if you have available updates for your Instagram. So if you see here not open but update, so you just need to update your Instagram app. So sometimes it can be caused by this thing. And also if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general just scroll down to shutdown. So just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. And if you still have this issue, so just go to the general again, just scroll down, just find here reset and just tap on reset network settings. So sometimes it also helps. And if you still have this issue, so just try to make force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. If you have another model of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So on this model of iPhone you just need to press on high volume buttons and on low volume button and just keep and hold power button until you will see black screen. So after you just need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that you successfully made force restart. And also you need to check your internet connection. So if you're using mobile data, so just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi and just turn it off and turn on again. And also just turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.